What's up guys, welcome back again to another video. In today's video, we're going to be comparing the JBL Charge 6 and the Zealot P12. In this comparison, both speakers are going to be playing in default sound. We're going to be comparing both speakers at 50% volume and 100% volume. So if you are curious to know which one plays better among both speakers, this is definitely the video for you. Or if you want to get one for yourself, I hope this video helps you make a better choice. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. On the screen, I'm going to be showing the price of both speakers, so you see the price in dollar and in naira.
I definitely appreciate the fact that the Zealot P12, despite being a small speaker, is sticking with the handle. That's one thing I love about the Zealot P12. And with a good looking handle like that, I say this speaker is looking really sexy. You want to know more about the amazing Zealot P12? Check out the unboxing videos in this channel of the Zealot P12. And as for the JBL Charge 6, it has a removable handle. I really love that about the JBL Charge 6. You can either attach it to the JBL Charge 6 or remove it, whichever one is okay for you. And regarding size, the Zealot P12 is slightly bigger compared to the JBL Charge 6. These are the ports you find on the Zealot P12. You get the USB-A, USB Type-C. You also have the auxiliary port, and you also have the TF card port if you want to put something like that in your portable speaker. I really love the fact that the Zealot P12 came with the aux port, and as for the JBL Charge 6, you get just the Type-C port for charging, and both speakers can actually serve as a power bank as well. But personally, I would not advise draining the batteries of any of these speakers trying to boost up your phone. One time I actually tried charging my iPhone with the Zealot P12. It didn't work, but when I tested out with an Android phone, it actually charged the Android phone. But it's not a good idea to use these speakers, as a power bank. Just go get a power bank, bro. And another thing, I actually find the RGB lights on the Zealot P12 to be really impressive. As for the JBL Charge 6, like every other JBL speaker, you actually get the JBL portable speaker app, which allows you to customize the sound on this speaker, the JBL Charge 6, however way you want it. I really find that to be very useful. And on the JBL portable speaker app, you actually get a lot of options. I really wish there's an app for the Zealot speakers. I think it's about time Zealot start thinking in that direction. But as of now, you have the EQ button on the Zealot speakers, which allows you to customize the sound of the Zealot speakers however way you want it. You have the bass EQ, the normal EQ, and the vocal boost EQ. And on the Zealot P12, you actually get the button where you can actually change the light modes, and you can also off the lights if you're not a fan of light in portable speakers. Not every small Zealot speaker have that button to turn off the light, but the Zealot P12 actually came with that option. If you care to know more information regarding the features of both speakers, then check out the unboxing videos of both speakers in this channel. I'm going to be adding the links to those videos in the description below to make it easier for you guys. In order not to make this video very long, we're just going to be playing both speakers. Let's hear the sound difference between both of them.
I hope you're ready because this one is going to be major. So let's go.
bass EQ. Let's go. Volume. When playing on 50% volume, I find the sound from the Zealot P12 to be really weak. And when you crank it up to 100% volume, you get to enjoy some good bass, some good sound from the Zealot P12. But the JBL chassis did better at 50% volume and at 100% volume. The JBL chassis is more expensive compared to the Zealot P12, so I said the Zealot P12 actually did good for its price. The battery life on both speakers is really okay. After testing it out, I say it's decent. The JBL chassis take the win when it comes to sound comparison between these two speakers. Like I said earlier, the JBL chassis is more expensive, so it's actually expected to, do better when it comes to sound quality. So that's it for today's video. Until next time, peace and love.